Okay, we are in Gerald Undone's studio. As you can see, he's got lots of fancy cameras, don't you, Gerald?
I got a few.
Just a couple?
Yeah.
We've got 3 A7 IVs, if I remember correctly.
Yeah.
And I'm shooting this right now on an iPhone 15 Pro. If you had to gauge, not that anybody needs to know, this phone only costs $1,800. I'm going to just throw a number out here, just based on bodies, over 10 grand, easily, right, in cameras?
Bodies are probably 7,500, and then with accoutrement,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, each one of those is rigged out to be over 3 grand. So yeah, you're probably looking at about 10 grand on, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm curious, we keep saying, could a phone replace your actual camera? I'm going to say no, because we already did a whole video about how that's not true. But I am very, very curious to see what a Gerald Undone angle looks like if we were to shoot this entirely.
3 of these, though.
You'd need 3 phones, yes. You're at least at $5 grand now. What are we going to do? So I'm going to do is I'm going to take your main camera here, which is this angle.
Yeah.
I'm going to show everybody what it looks like. And we all know his studio. But I'm going to take this camera and sort of put it in the lens mode where it would be similar to what your angle looks like. And I might even ask you for whatever LUT you use on your footage, and I'll see how close I can match it. So go ahead and just give me like welcome to a new video or something like that.
So here we're interviewing. We got some finalist names for the teddy bear. One person said Ted McMahon, which I kind of like Ed McMahon, but like Ted McMahon.
Love it.
Other people were talking about. I forgot all of them, to be honest. I remember Ted McMahon.
Ted McMahon's a good one.
So I guess that's what we're calling it. I had a list.
So right there, that's your sort of main angle. Sometimes you hold some stuff too, right?
Yeah, I'll do like
I'll give you like a
cord or something.
yeah.
So we'll do like a tight shot. Yeah, usually coming from an angle like this.
You know what I'll do is I'll even switch to a more telephoto lens here.
Because I'll be over here talking about it, and then I'll want to do a detail.
So I'll move like this. So show me that camera.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go.
I'd be like, oh, and then I have a cord. Oh, it'd be like, check this out. So there's a, gray. There's a little gray head on this, purple cord, this undone cable, and it's USB-C. So I'll get that tighter shot there, and then I'd cut back to your other one.
Yep, I'm gonna go back to here, and there you are.
And then that would be more of the kind of straight on, where it'd be like, today's video. Blah, 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 blah.
So the question is for the audience: could Gerald shoot his entire production, get rid of all of this, for 3 iPhones?
It would look so crazy if you came in and I had tripods, because I have to have tripods. So all these tripods are just like 3 little phones.
Yeah.
Now those have HDMI out, or you can do some kind of HDMI out in those, right?
You could, yeah.
Because I do still like to have my little switcher action.
That's true, yeah. You could still do all 3 phones with a switcher, yeah.
So I'd want to run the phones out, run those cables down, and then be over here.
It's an interesting experiment.
Would be an experiment. I would definitely want Apple to pay me a lot of
money
to
for
do that experiment.
Yeah,
though.
definitely.
I'd be like, I'll switch all my stuff to Apple for a video or whatever.
All right, that's it. Thanks, Gerald.
Ah,